Hey there and welcome back. Now in this part I am going to discuss ComboBox. This ComboBox is used to show pop-up menu of choices. Choices selected by user is shown on the top of your menu. Let me show you an example so that you can have visualization that what is all about ComboBox. Here is an example. As you can see, USA, India, Australia, USA, England, New Zealand. As I selected USA, so it is displaying on the top of our option. USA is there, as you can see here. So this is example of combo box. This is basically used where we are going to provide option of like selecting the countries, in this case selecting the city, selecting our classes, selecting different categories in predefined categories. Okay, this option is mainly used where you have predefined categories. So you can find this type of GUI components many of application. As I've shown you right there, it is very popular among your registration form. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can put this GUI component into your application. So open your notepad and import your java swing.asterisk. After importing all this java x.swing, uh, create a simple public class for our combo box. Before combo box, I've already discussed about checkboxes, radio boxes, checkboxes for those for selecting multiple options for multiple choices, and radio boxes are like selecting a single option among multiple options. So combo box is not them like that. Like it is totally different from radio buttons as well as check buttons. Here we have a predefined list from where you can select an option from it. Only one option. Okay. Similar to the functionality related to our radio buttons. Okay. Now I've created an instance for my frame using new keyword. Now inside I'm going to create an string array string where I'm going to pass a few options like India, Australia, USA, England, New Zealand. You can extend your list, it's up to you, but I'm just did only with this few 5 countries. So now I'm going to create an instance for my combo box, and inside my combo box I'm going to pass in parameter that is our string array, that is country. Okay, now after doing so, now I'm going to set the bounds for my combo box as you have to pass 4 parameters. One is for x-axis, one is for y-axis, and two for your width and the height. This 90 is your width and 20 is the height. 50 and 50 is x-axis and y-axis coordinates where the location of your combo box will be located into your application. After doing so, now I'm going to add into my frame and set the size for your set the layout for your frame, set the visibility property of your frame, and yeah, set the size 400x50. This time I'm keeping my frame size little bit bigger, as I always use 300x300, but this time just I'm going to use my frame size a little bit bigger. Now set the visibility true so that all the components may be visible. Close the public class curly braces. Now write public static void main, the main method, and inside just call this combo box. Just write new combo box. It will create an object for our combo box classes. Okay, now close all the curly braces which you have opened and save this file with the name of your class file, that is our combo box. So choose the save as option from a file and just write the name as combo box C capital B capital. This is called a camel case. Okay, where C and B are the in capital letters. Now save this file into your computer, and the extension should be .java. Okay, now open it in command prompt in the same directory where you passed your combobox.java file. using JavaC command, there's an error, but there's no problem with this error. I just open your application, and as you can see, India, Australia, as I selected Australia, Australia is written there. As I selected USA, USA is selected there. New Zealand, New Zealand. Okay, this is the list which I passed on, as you can see, string array: India, Australia, USA, England, New Zealand, and these are the options. You can use this combo box in many places. It's up to you. So this is all about combo box. I hope you understand.